Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. In this video today we are going to learn how to change Gmail profile picture. So for this we have go to Gmail app and go to Google account. Click on manage your Google account. Click on here. You can see add profile picture. Click on here. You can choose your picture from device photos. Click on device photos. Click on browse or take photo. Go to media, pick and select your picture. Click on next. Click on save as profile picture. So like this, I have changed my Gmail profile picture. So guys, that's it. You can do it. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.